Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will try to learn how to divide any number by 5. In this example, 4,905 divided by 5. Step 1. Double the number. Multiply the number by 2. 4,905 times 2 equals 9,810. Step 2. Insert the decimal point before the units place. That's between 1 and 0 in this example. And you get 981. And that's the final answer. 4,905 divided by 5 equals 981. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.